Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with Charlie Barnhart and Associates. I'm here in San Diego at the IPC Expo, Apex Expo, 2013. And joining me today is Dave Heller of Heller Industries, the oven people, so to speak, right? And thanks for joining me. I just want to take a few moments, kind of get a sense of what are you seeing here, how's it going, and what's new at Heller?
The show's been great for us so far, and every year we think, all right, what's the show going to be like? And we've had some very, very high quality meetings. It's not like the shows of 10 years ago where there's thousands of people running through, but everybody who comes through is interested in the product, looking for new equipment, and we had some very high quality conversations, so it's definitely worth coming out every year.
Okay. And what's in your product line? It's ovens, right? What is it that's new? What is it that you're showing or showcasing here, or is it? What is it?
The machines that we've got at the show are traditional high-volume runners that are the more popular machines for North American manufacturers, the medium to high throughput machines. And every year we've got incremental improvement on the machine, so we're showing some new edge hole designs, but they're really tried and true machines. A lot of the interesting, unique, and special machines that we do, that's about a third of our business. But the machines that we brought to the show are our standard traditional machines.
And you do a lot in Asia, obviously, as well. Is that preponderance of your business?
Yeah, about 75 to 80% of our business is in Asia. We have 3 factories located in Asia, in China, Korea, and Malaysia. So a lot of our business is intra-Asia. But again, a lot of our engineering also is in the US, because a lot of our semiconductor customers want to work with the US contact, US engineering, even though the machine may be made in Asia and it may ship into Asia.
So it is regionalized in that
Absolutely.
sense. Okay.
And that's part of our business model. We want to have a nucleus of people in many locations throughout the world, so a Korean customer can work with Korean engineers and do it in a common language with common culture and in the same time zone, rather than every single question to have to go to New Jersey to come back. It's very cumbersome. So we have high quality engineering in Korea, China, and Malaysia, so local customers can get their answer same day.
So how are the needs? I mean, it's a specialized piece of equipment.
Yes.
When I had a facility, I used to always say that's probably the most complex. How do you, heat it and cool it all within that, 5 yards or whatever it might be. So how are the needs of your customer base changing?
I think it's the classic faster, cheaper, better. And we have constant innovation that's driven by our customers. And one of the things that they're asking for in particular is reduced electrical requirement, particularly in China. I visited a customer in China 2 weeks ago, and they said, we've got this brand new series of lines we're putting into this building, but we're not allowed to increase the total electric load. What can you do to help reduce our current load for each of our old machines and the new machines? It's a very, very rigorous requirement, because we have to do the same thing with 20–25% less power, and we figured out how to do that. But it's not just the power consumption of the machine itself, it's the air conditioning load that's required to keep the facility temperate. So not only do we have to worry about the direct power consumption, but also overhead consumption as well.
And one of the interesting things I think about Heller is actually you're actually an engineer by training, whereas a lot of people in similar positions are probably accountants or came up from a different thing. And I think as people in the industry talk to me, they say that's one of the unique things, and as a positive, obviously. Engineers can be a little difficult sometimes, but how do you see that impacting what you do? I mean, you really understand when you're talking to customers what the heck they're talking
Absolutely. about. And some of the most enjoyable times that I have in our business and in my role is going out to visit customers, seeing what their problems are, come up with some solutions with our guys back in Korea, New Jersey, or China, and then implementing that solution, getting it 90% right, and then giving it a second tweak to get it perfect. And there's constant learning that we do. So that's really my role in the company, is to listen to customers, find out what their needs are, come up with semi-custom solutions for them, and then implement them and try to take that learning and use it across our entire company. different locations and different product lines. But that's what's interesting and fun about our business.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic. That's good. Well, I want to thank you for joining me. Our time is up, but enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
Success to you.
Thanks very much.